Got a 2011 to 2014 C-class. What I'm gonna be doing is, it's got instruction right there. I kind of read it a little bit through it, and the first thing you want to do is power off before installation. So basically I'm gonna go right here, looking at navigation, everything seems to be working. So display off right there, I'm gonna click on display off. You want to be on the system right there, and then display off, turn that off, and then pry out the air conditioner vent panel. So we're gonna pry this out. So I'm gonna push it back right here. I'm gonna start prying this out a little bit. I'm not sure which way better. I think that side first, but I'm gonna try this side. Ooh, that's pretty. Try this side first. Yep. Start it from here. And just pry it lightly, gently. Something stuck right there. So feel like something's stuck in here. I don't know what that is yet. We'll find out in a second what that is. I gotta get some. Push it, pull it up like this. It's kind of tight, but it's okay. I'm gonna unplug this. Push that button. Keep it in the back. So I'm gonna pry this right there, and it does come with tools. If you don't see it, it does come with this tool. I just don't like to use the tools. They come with a bunch of tools right here. See, the tools remove anything out on the got a bunch of other stuff right here. I don't know what else I need, but I don't use this tool. I use my own tool. So pry that, and then come over here. You don't see it, but the same thing. It should be just pried out like that. I'm gonna leave it up here for now. And then, according to the manual, it was telling me to pry the right decorative strip. What is that? Oh, I think they're talking about the top strip, but the pry the top. Okay, pry the right. So the left and the right. Now I gotta pry the top one. Try not to break it. Okay, got that out. Yeah. Now remove the fixing screw of the original monitor. So you gotta get all of these out the way they say. We're gonna have to take the left and right decorative, which went left and right. So we're gonna just take a flathead or tools and push it, and it should come out. Because what it is, if you move it that way a little bit, about 1/4 of an inch, it will come out. See, right there. Same as the other one. Go right here, and I was kind of scared, nervous about that earlier. So see, that's how it stayed. And then now they got two Allen wrench that I guess it came with it. That tool I mentioned earlier right here. It's nice that they have tools for us to mess. Usually a lot of stereo systems, they don't show the instruction. This one does, so it kind of help out a little bit, but still, even though the instruction is there, sometimes it's confusing too. I'm not gonna say I'm good at everything. See, right here, I think it's something else. I think I might need an own Allen wrench. Yeah, grab me an Allen wrench. So I got this right here. It does come with it, and just go right here and just keep turning. I'm used to drill. Let me go grab a drill. The T20. Just take it out real quick. It's a long T20. Now it's set to remove the fixing screw of original monitor, loose the. Okay, now we got to take this out too. I kind of cheat a little bit right here. I'm just loosening that a little bit. We probably can just pull it out. So I was having a hard time trying to pull that out. So what you want to do, you want to put some pressure where you took the T20 at. Push it like that. Give it a little bit of tap, about a 1/4 inch tap. Tap right there too. And then that thing just comes straight out like that. Easy, huh? So I was like, what is going on? So now what I'm gonna do is power harness from the original hose and connect to an Android system. Power hose. So here, come over here. Push right here. Push it down and pull it out like that. Then the whole thing will come out. See? That's it. All right. To remove this out, as you can see the clip right there, you push it forward a little bit. Actually go right here, pull it out, just pull it outward a little bit, and this thing will come out. And just kind of use your thumb and push it out that way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug this should go back to the original radio right there. I'm gonna plug this. Well, I'm gonna plug this in. So, uh-oh. Hope it's not the wrong one. What's up? Ooh, that's weird. That's right. I thought it was the wrong one. So we're gonna plug that back in here. It don't look right. The plug's the same, but it doesn't look right. like so. And then it's got a bunch of this. Why we plugged this, we ran this USB down over there, and I'm not sure if this thing has to go up there. I'm just gonna see. Oh, we need a screen. I ran all this wire up here. I got this thicker one, this thinner one. I ran the two USB out there, and I'm not sure if I had to switch this around or not until I plugged it in. It doesn't have the front camera. This is for external camera. So, and I did plug the mic. I ran it up here. The mic's short. I wanted to put it up here, but I can't, so I put it right there. Go underneath there. There's two T20 right there. Three T20 underneath here. And now I'm gonna put the top one on panel, and then I'm gonna try to put this thing in so I can snap the radio back on. Start out with the top one first. Don't start the bottom. What I did, I started the bottom one first. It didn't work out very well, so I start the top and then I start the bottom later. As you can see, I did connect this blue. It's called the connect the original monitor. It's page number 10. If you look at the installation guide, it say LVDS cable with Android to the Aussie adapter right there. Plug that in. I'm gonna shove it back in there and keep just 2 wire out, 3 actually, and the GPS, and the actually GPS is a blue one, and purple one is for the 4G network. Oh, I got it all in. I haven't screwed it in yet. I'm gonna see. It looks nice so far. I got this grill, this decorative cover panel right there. That's not gonna be used anymore. So I'm gonna see if the radio works first before I even screw it all back in. Got everything installed already. I got no sound. Guess what? What is this? So I realized this is like an aux input. So I got regular radio sound, but anything from there is not gonna work. So what I'm gonna have to do, I gotta put this CD changer. I gotta go glove compartment, and you see this plug right here. That's the plug that go to the aux. I'm gonna try that because I'm not sure, but I know a few Cadillac I've done before. It's got that. Trying to fit it in there, and it looked pretty rough right here. I don't know if it's gonna work. Hopefully it will work, because that's the only way this thing works. So there's an aux right there. I was wondering what that is. It's like a 3mm plug looking. I saw it right here. That one right there, this long one that said audio out right there. That's probably what it is. So I had to plug that and see if that's the right one. So here we go, right there. Here's a customer. Young, handsome kid right here. So Android Auto working fine. He's got an Apple, so it's gonna be an Apple CarPlay. And still working on sounds. I did hook up the aux right here. As you can see right there, the last video I had. Oh, I unplugged it somehow. Oh shoot. Okay, well I'm gonna plug it back, but I got no sound. I gotta do some setting. And my main problem was I could not find the NGT on the main menu. So you go to the main menu.